Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Upstart Holdings. The report was first published on our website Friday, May 13, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Upstart Holdings? In this video you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental situation in addition to future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Our systems currently rank the Upstart Holdings stock with a -5.326 score, and our system has ranked Upstart Holdings sell candidate since March 30, 2022. In this period the stock has had a loss of -66.57%. This is an average return of -2.08% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Upstart Holdings, our last headline reads, Big movements in Upstart Holdings Inc. stock price on Friday, moving 15.47% between high and low. The Upstart Holdings Inc. stock price gained 16.32% on the last trading day, Friday, May 13, 2022, rising from $32.78 to $38.13. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 15.47% from a day low at $33.16 to a day high of $38.29. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a -49.17% loss for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -1 million shares, and in total, 17 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $632.69 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $401.49, and the lowest price was $25.43. Right now the price is 90.5%, or $363.36, below 52-week high at $401.49, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the lower of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $25.41 is broken, it will firstly indicate a stronger fall rate. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -46.88% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -61.98% and 29.3%. The 12-month trend indicates a -21.76% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -77.20% and 592.41%. This equals a price between $8.69 and $264.02 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Upstart Holdings stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Upstart Holdings stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Upstart Holdings. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, May 11, 2022, and so far it has risen 36.18%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Upstart Holdings Inc. stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $54.65 and $83.84. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 147 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 126 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 119 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Upstart Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $33.61 and $32.78. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $32.78 may give a huge drop in the stock price. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $5.13 between high and low, or 15.47%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 22.77%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Upstart Holdings. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Upstart Holdings currently has a price-earning ratio of 28.31. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Upstart Holdings finds first level of support at $33.61, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Upstart Holdings is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Nicole Allison, whom have bought and sold 10,619 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -62.473. In total, the insiders bought 60,000 and sold 267,821 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock. No stop loss set. Is Upstart Holdings stock a buy? Upstart Holdings Inc. holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 16th, we expect Upstart Holdings to open down -$1.60 and start trading at $36.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember that anyone leaving a company stand the chance of winning a lifetime subscription worth $495 to our services. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.